This video shows how to cook using programmed recipes, using the Converge Oven with simple control. First, the oven must be preheated and your food prepared and ready to cook. Touch the Recipes icon. The Browse Recipes screen displays. Navigate to and touch the desired recipe, then select the desired chamber or chambers. Open the door, load the food into the chamber, then close the door. Touch the Start icon. The cooking status screen displays the details on the current cook setting. If you touch the X in a chamber, you can cancel the cooking process. At the end of the cooking process, the oven sounds an alert and the chamber light flashes. Remove the cooked food. For more how-to videos, please visit our website.